Did you know the world's most expensive painting was sold 3 times by the same con man? Swiss art dealer Yves Bouvier built a billion-dollar empire on one simple lie. He told billionaire clients he was buying masterpieces at auction for them, but secretly, he already owned the paintings. His most audacious scam involved Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi. Bouvier bought the painting for $83 million, then immediately called Russian billionaire Dmitry Rybolovlev. "I found your Da Vinci at auction," he lied. He sold the exact same painting to Rybolovlev for $127 million, $44 million profit in one phone call. The painting later sold at Christie's for a record-breaking $450 million, but Rybolovlev started asking questions. He discovered Bouvier never bought anything at auction. He owned everything. The Russian oligarch had been scammed out of hundreds of millions across 38 different paintings. When the truth came out, it triggered a global legal war spanning 3 countries. The perfect art con, destroyed by one suspicious billionaire.